This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Mazda 6 Classic hatch, stock reference number 5422. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2008 through to the 11th month 2012. It has an L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L5 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left-hand side skirt, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 2 small dents, right front door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, factory 6-stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.